welcome to Snake Bites. Today we're going to explore some of our Read and Write tools from our Read and Write extension. So Read and Write is a literacy support tool. It'll help students by having things read aloud to them, help them explore unfamiliar words, and even help them proofread their writing. So today we're going to explore some of the text-to-speech tools. So Read and Write is an extension that should be pushed out to all your Chrome browsers. You'll see it here pinned on my toolbar. If it's not there for you, you should have it in your list of extensions. So I just pulled up a website. It should work on any web-based site that you have. So I pulled it up there. You can see you have the option to play, pause, and stop. And we're also going to look at the hover speech tool. So in order to have the content read to your students, all you have to do is highlight where you want it to start, push that play button, and you'll see it'll read to you and highlight what it's reading at the code. You can pause it whenever you want to, and to get your full toolbar back, all you have to do is push stop. Now the hover speech tool will allow your students just to have read what they hover over. So you see it works similar to the play feature, it just allows them to kind of pick and choose what they want read to them. Again, to gain access to the rest of your toolbar, you just have to unselect that hover speech tool and you will have access again. Join us in our next video for more information on the tools available in Read and Write.